Welcome to Adells. Let's keep this simple, clear, and calm. If you appreciate quiet, focused videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll always keep it real here. Using a manual pump doesn't have to feel complicated. It's a tool, that's all. And with the right mindset, it becomes something manageable, even peaceful. Start by preparing everything before you sit down. Wash your hands, make sure the parts are clean, dry, and fitted together the way they should be. Having things ready makes it easier to focus on yourself. Find a place where you feel okay to slow down, physically and mentally. A comfortable chair, soft lighting, maybe silence or something gentle in the background. Distractions off. This time is just for you. Once you're settled, bring the pump into place. You're not forcing anything. It should feel steady and comfortable, not tight or awkward. Adjust if needed. Start slowly. Light, short squeezes to begin. Let your body respond at its own pace. It usually knows what to do better than we give it credit for. There's no perfect rhythm, but once you feel flow, you can ease into a slower, steady pattern. Breathe naturally. Let your hands work gently, not rigidly. If things stop and start, don't overthink it. That's part of it. You're not doing anything wrong. Just stay calm. Keep going if it feels right. Pause if you need to. When you're done, remove the pump carefully. Store what you've collected. Wash the parts without rushing. Let it be routine, not a chore. Don't compare your experience to anyone else's. Everyone's rhythm is different, and that's okay. What works for one person might feel totally different for you, and that's normal. Make this moment part of your routine, not a burden. A familiar time of day, the same chair, your favorite soft blanket, it turns a task into something grounding. If your mind starts racing during the process, focus on your breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold. Exhale slowly. Let your breath anchor you. Thanks for trusting Adells to guide you through this. If this helped in any way, subscribe, and come back anytime you need calm and clarity. You've got this.